Learn in this video how to hide your activity status on Instagram so that people don't know when you're online on your Instagram account. And it is genuinely simple. You can also hide your activity in chat conversations so that individuals are unaware of when you have their chat open. You're going to open up your Instagram profile, click on the top right corner, and navigate to settings and privacy in order to complete the task. Then, on this screen, you're going to scroll down until you find the option Messages and Story Replies. Click on this option. Next, you are going to click on View Activity Status right here in this option, and now you will be able to disable the second setting that is currently enabled. By deactivating this option, you will effectively prevent other people from seeing whether or not you have the chat, their conversation chat, open on the Instagram platform. By disabling the first option, you'll be hidden on Instagram. People won't know your activity status, they won't be able to see when you're online on Instagram. The only downside is that by doing this, you won't be able to see who's online on Instagram like you used to. Like if this video helped, comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips that will help in your day-to-day life. See you next time.